Hey loves, how are you doing today? Welcome to my YouTube channel. It's your girl Petra Mume, and if this is the first time coming across my page, you are welcome. So today I'm gonna be doing a random kind of video. I really didn't have this planned out. I just wanted to do a video since I love this makeup and it's really beautiful. Anyway, if you want to see how I got this makeup look, there'll be a link at the end of the video somewhere here or here. I don't know. So basically, let me tell you something about my how do I put it, the supplements and the things I take for my body, for my hair, my nails, my skin and all that. I take Goli. This is really nice. It actually controls your weight. It's a good way to lose weight. Take this, like I take like 4 a day, depends on how I'm feeling, so I just take this. It's really nice. It's sweet. It's apple cider vinegar but without the sour taste. Really sweet. Then usually I take this Pure Excel. Almost out. I take this Pure Excel. I take 2 in the morning, 2 in the night. This is actually very nice. It has glutathione, so it will help your skin, it will help your system. It has glutathione, so it's gonna help your skin and your system. You can take this. You actually love this. I like this a lot. Then the other vitamin, the other supplement I have is this Juice Plus. It comes in like a box and it has like 4. I always like taking the raspberry because already I have glutathione. I have glutathione here. I have Goli here. So this is just like a supplement. It contains blended fruits and vegetable juice powder. So if you're not even eating so much and you take all this, it's gonna really help you. But it's good you eat. It's very good you eat. But I'm just telling you, like, this is so nice as well. And another thing I love taking, I totally love this. This is STC. This is like a new pack. The old pack is, I ran out of the old pack, so this is a new pack. I'm not opening it here. So this basically, you just put it at here. You put it here and you take this morning and midnight, 9 before you go to bed, and morning. That's how I take mine though. So I love this. I really love this. Then this is cell GVT. You guys know me. I don't play with cell GVT because it's an antioxidant. Those terms are just so one kind to pronounce. It's an antioxidant and it's really nice. Like, it prevents, it helps your bones, it helps your cells. Like, you can see the cell GVT. It boosts your cells. Like, I don't know how to, I'm not a doctor, I'm not a medical doctor, so I don't really know the terms, but this is nice. This is nice. It's gonna protect it's gonna protect you from having or from falling ill unnecessarily. So call me a drug person, but yes, I take care of myself a lot and I do that with supplements and vitamins. So I would advise you get all this. There are other very good ones out there, but these are the ones I've been taking and these are the ones that I know to be very good. I ran out of 2 others because that's like the ones I take a lot. So is this a promotion video? No, this is not a promotion video. This is just like basically what I take to, you know, keep my system strong, to keep me looking fresh like I do, keep me looking agile and strong. The brain will be sharp. All these things, they're really nice. So in case you're not taking any supplements and you're over your late 20s, even your 20s, your early 20s, you're supposed to be taking like some supplements to help you. Even children should take supplements. They will just help you revitalize and, you know, rejuvenate your cells and all that. So that's it for this video. I hope you find this video entertaining, fun and educative. I'll see you in my next video. Thank you for watching. Bye.